Okay, good evening everyone, and today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your X96Q Android TV box to a Wi-Fi network. Okay, first of all you need to go to the setting menu here, press OK on that button. After that, select the network and internet. Okay, and now you will see all the Wi-Fi that available. Select one of your Wi-Fi network. Okay, for example, now select one of your Wi-Fi. Then you can use a keyboard, your computer keyboard, that can connect USB to your TV box USB. Okay, for example, now I use this one. And it's easy for you to typing, then just click one by one on the screen by your remote control. Okay, after that just select that enter button. Okay, now it's connected successfully. After connect successfully, you will see the Wi-Fi logo in the middle of the TV screen here. And now your TV box got the internet provided to it. And now that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can connect your X96Q Android TV box to a Wi-Fi network. And now thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.